There are many products available to choose an action camera, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best action camera from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GoPro HERO12. Pros: this device is waterproof without housing and comes with a built-in Type touchscreen. You will be able to enjoy tons of shooting modes with this device, and the video quality is rated to be excellent. Cons: battery use to drain quickly, especially when you are using touchscreen feature, and there is no support from external mic systems without adapter. It is one of the most advanced action cameras available in the market with waterproof design up to 10 meters. HERO5 can shoot videos up to 4K resolution, whereas location tags can be generated automatically with inbuilt GPS. It serves with improved noise reduction features, and the footage can become much smoother with active voice control commands. I've been shooting with the HERO12 this way for over a month now, and it has not overheated. Not once. Battery runtime is significantly longer as well. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro packs an impressive punch in a petite package. Its large one first. 3-inch sensor thrives when lighting conditions dim, capturing eye-popping 8K footage. An intuitive 2.4-inch flip touchscreen, advanced stabilization, and clever AI empower users to easily film smooth, creative content in nearly any environment. Pros: stunning image quality, smooth stabilization, versatile shooting options, easy to use touchscreen. Cons: short battery life, relatively heavy, higher price point, initial learning curve. The Insta360 Ace Pro is an innovative and rugged action camera packing professional-grade features into a compact body, equipped with a 48MP first. 3 sensor and flow state stabilization. It delivers strikingly detailed and smooth 8K video at 24 FPS, along with crisp 4K footage up to 120 FPS. Collaborating with Leica for the lens ensures excellent optical quality and vivid colors in diverse lighting conditions. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. With a rugged build and stellar imaging, the DJI Osmo Action 4 stands ready for adventure. Its first 3-inch sensor excels when the light is low, while 4K 120 FPS capture and 155-degree FOV lend cinematic quality. Intuitive dual touchscreens and advanced stabilization let you focus on the action, not the gear. Waterproof down to 18 meters, it goes wherever stories unfold. Pros: great low light performance, long battery life, smooth advanced stabilization, long battery life, user-friendly touchscreens. Cons: higher price point, complex for beginners, limited daytime enhancements, no built-in. Stabilization at 4K 120 FPS. The new DJI Osmo Action 4 builds upon the successful design of prior models while implementing cutting-edge upgrades for improved performance. It captures crisp 4K video at 120 FPS, with its wide f2.8 aperture lens and 1/1. 3 sensor providing stellar image quality even in low light. Number 4. Insta360 X4. The pocket-sized Insta360 X4 captures stunning 8K 360 video with an intuitive touchscreen interface. Its invisible selfie stick creates immersive third-person views, and advanced flow state stabilization keeps footage smooth even in motion. This rugged, waterproof camera is built for adventure and easy sharing. Pros: stunning 8K video quality, versatile shooting mode, smooth stabilization, technology, rugged and waterproof design. Cons: battery drains quickly in 8K. Editing tools have a learning curve, limited low light performance. No dedicated microphone jack. The Insta360 X4 makes capturing pro-level 360 footage simple for adventure junkies and content creators alike. Its compact design travels easily without sacrificing durability. The X4 is waterproof to 33 feet and functions in freezing conditions down to -20 degrees Celsius. Smooth flow state stabilization produces gimbal-like videos, especially notable for fast-paced activities or uneven terrain. Number 5. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. The rugged Akaso Brave 8 Lite packs impressive features into a compact, adventure-ready body. It captures crisp 4K 60 FPS video and 20 MP photos, with its dual screens letting you easily frame every thrilling moment. Whether you're vlogging the trails or diving underwater, its IPX8 protection and versatile shooting modes ensure stunning, shake-free content every time. Pros: 4K video, stunning clarity, waterproof, dive-ready design, affordable, great value. Dual screens, selfie-friendly. Cons: weak audio, mic needs help. Stabilization issues, needs improvement, glitchy app. Can be unreliable, low light struggles, not great in dark. The Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a surprisingly capable budget, 4K 60 FPS action camera. Despite its affordable price, it packs impressive video specs and features into a compact, grippy gray rubber body with a sleek, futuristic design. The basic kit bundles essential mounts and accessories without additional costs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.